1 year ago, SORA 1 redefined what was possible with moving images. Today, we're announcing the SORA app, powered by the all-new SORA 2. It's the most powerful imagination engine ever built. And it's packed with new features. I'll pass it to Bill for more details.
OpenAI just dropped SORA 2.0, the ultimate AI video generator, but here's the catch. You can't use it. It's either invite only or completely paid everywhere. No free option. But don't worry, there's good news. Meta AI has quietly launched its own ultra-powerful video generator, and guess what? It's free. It's built right into Meta's image generation system, so you can create unlimited AI images and even animate them into smooth videos, all from your phone or laptop. You get 4 variations at once, support for both landscape and portrait, and the quality, honestly, it's stunning. Sure, it takes a little practice to get perfect results, but once you get the hang of it, it's a total game changer. So, without wasting any time, let's check out Meta AI, one of the best and completely free AI image and video generators available right now. Hey creators! Welcome back to Software for Creators, the channel where we help you work faster, better, and smarter with the best tools and AI. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because we break down the latest software that can take your creativity to the next level. Alright, so first, just head over to meta.ai. Before you start doing anything, make sure you log in with your Facebook or Instagram account. It's super quick. Once you're in, you'll see 3 main sections on the dashboard. First is chat. This works just like ChatGPT, where you can talk to the AI, ask questions, or even generate ideas. Next is vibes. This one's really cool. It's like a creative world map showing AI-generated videos and artworks from users all around the globe. You can watch them, get inspiration, or even remix them yourself. And lastly, the Create tab. That's where the real magic happens. This is where you can actually generate your own AI images and videos using simple prompts. Alright, before making a video, you'll first need to create an image because Meta AI doesn't generate videos directly from text yet. You can only animate images into videos, which honestly makes sense. It lets you preview the theme, quality, and art style first before turning it into motion. So let's try it out. I'm just going to type a cute robot driving a car through in a city with camera in the front facing both car and robot. And within a few seconds, boom, Meta gives you 4 different variations to choose from. You can also switch between landscape or portrait mode depending on what you need. The image quality is actually really impressive for a free tool, especially with the lighting and detail it captures. Now that we've got our image, let's move on to the fun part, turning it into a video. Before turning your image into a video, you can even edit or restyle it. Just click on the image and not the animate button, and you'll see tons of art styles like robotic, anime, 3D, cinematic, and more. Right below that, there's an edit option where you can fine-tune or tweak your image before animating. Once you're done, just hit the arrow button and your updated image is ready to go. Now that we've got our image, it's time to animate it. Just click on the animate button and Meta AI will automatically create a related animation for your image. That's it. No complex setup, no editing. Just wait a few seconds and boom, here's your animation. Looks cool, right? The motion, lighting, and depth all look super smooth and realistic for a free tool. But wait, it gets better. You can actually tweak the animation too. You can change the motion style by writing a new prompt, add music just like Instagram Reels, extend the video length, and even switch art styles. From anime, 3D, cinematic, or robotic, whatever fits your vibe. And all of that happens right inside Meta AI, completely free. And here are some of the examples I made using Meta AI, from generating images to adding motion and music to them. Pretty cool, right? Honestly, what I love most about this tool is, first, it's completely free, so no stress about running out of credits or trial limits. Second, it's unlimited, you can just keep creating. Third, it's super fast, no long waits, just click, generate, repeat. And lastly, the UI is super clean and easy to use, perfect for beginners or anyone who just wants quick results. Oh, and the best part, You can directly post your videos to social media with trending music right from here. So if you haven't tried it yet, go to meta.ai, play around, and start creating your own AI videos today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. See you next time.